Welcome back. The Pareto handed us two suspects, changeover weights and label jams, but a suspect isn't a cause. Today, the two interrogation tools every belt carries: the Fishbone diagram, which organizes every hypothesis your team can produce, and the 5 whys, which drills a single symptom down to something you can actually fix. Both exams test both. Let's interrogate. The Fishbone. Ishikawa diagram. The head holds the effect. Stated precisely, changeover weights average 9 minutes. The spine grows 6 classic bones. The 6 Ms. machine, the equipment itself. Method, the procedure or the absence of one. Material, what's being processed. Manpower, people and skills, but process-focused, never blame. Measurement, can you even see the problem correctly? And Mother Nature, environment, temperature, humidity, lighting. The team brainstorms causes onto each bone. The diagram doesn't find the answer. It makes sure you haven't ignored a whole category of suspects. The 5 whys is depth instead of width. State the problem, ask why, answer with a because, then interrogate the because. 5 is a guideline, not a law. Stop when you reach a cause that's actionable and process level. 3 traps fail exams and projects alike. Stopping at blame, the operator was careless, is never a root cause. Ask why the process lets carelessness matter. Jumping to solutions mid-chain, and tunnel vision, one why path when several exist. That's exactly when you want the Fishbone's width first. Let's drill our biggest Pareto bar. I'll use the LeanProjax platform. A new 5 whys run, the problem, changeover weights average 9 minutes per changeover on line A. Why 1, operators wait for the supervisor to bring settings. Why 2, the set points live in a binder in the office. Why 3, there's no settings card at the line. Why 4, settings were never documented per product. It's tribal knowledge. Why 5, nobody owns changeover standard work. There's the root cause. Actionable, process level, nobody blamed. And notice the countermeasure is already whispering. An owned point-of-use settings card. That's improve phase material. Use them together. Fishbone first when causes are unclear. Width, whole team, every category. 5 whys on the strongest branches. Depth, one path at a time. Then the greenbelt discipline. A root cause is a hypothesis until data confirms it. The next 3 lessons build the verification kit, scatter plots, hypothesis tests, and TE tests. So we think it's the settings binder becomes we showed it, with numbers. Analyze isn't done when the team agrees. It's done when the data does. Exam drill 2 questions. Question 1, a 5 whys chain ends at the operator wasn't careful. What's wrong? And what's the next question? Pause here if you need a moment. It stopped at blame, not process. Ask why the process allows one person's lapse to become a defect, error-proofing territory. Question 2, calibration overdue on the torque driver. Which Fishbone bone? Take a few seconds. Machine, it's production equipment. If it were the inspection gauge, it'd be measurement. The bone depends on the role the item plays. 2 suspects interrogated, 1 root cause on the table, unverified, and we said so. Next lesson, the data speaks. Scatter plots and correlation, reading relationships without fooling yourself. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.